Alright guys, so now that we've saved our Nearpod lesson and we're ready to put it into our classroom, what we're going to do is we are going to go and we're going to copy this link and put it into our Canvas. You can also put it directly into a live meeting and have the students participate. You know, maybe you want them to check in to the meeting when they first get there. You can do it as like a check-in question. You could do it as an exit slip like you would typically do in a brick and mortar classroom, whatever you want to do. But first you need to go up here, go to your lesson settings, and we are going to change some of these settings so that all students can have access, right? So there are different options that you can add, and what I'm going to change is I'm going to enable the collaborate board for student pace lessons. So this means that if you're not doing it in a live meeting, this makes sure that students can participate in that lesson. So we're going to turn that on. And again, we did that up at the teacher settings. And then we're going to make sure everything is good to go. All right. And then we can go back to our profile. Not our profile, sorry guys. We can go back to our Nearpod homepage. And now we can get this link. So again, you can do live participation. If you're using Zoom and you have the paid for version, you can do it. It's already included. If you want to embed a link, you can do that. You would just click this and embed it into your live lesson in your Google Meets, your Zoom, we use Microsoft Teams, so in your Microsoft Teams meeting, or you can do student pace. So this is what I would do if you would have it set up as like a assignment, right? So we're going to copy this and then we're going to go to our practice page. We're going to edit this since I had to go back and make some changes. And then we are going to go to the HTML editor. I'm going to take this one out, put the new one in. I'm going to save it. All right, so now it's saved and the students could join in. And then you can see now they can answer the question and then they can see other people's responses as well. They can also post a picture if they want, so they can click this and add a Google image, whatever they want to do. And this lets them, once they post a response, so let's just say, what's your favorite TV show? Let's say Blue's Clues. All right, let's post it. And then they can like the responses if they want to. They can't dislike, which I like that feature. They can like or unlike, but that's it. And then it just lets them see their other friends' responses come up immediately, which is really cool and really interactive.